Hey there, everybody. Thomas with Basecamp Trading. It is Friday, December 7th, and we're going to take a look really quick here at Amazon. And I want to talk to you about Amazon because yesterday we did a video discussing breakouts in crude oil, in Renko breakouts in crude oil, and identifying significant support and resistance, and knowing when you have those significant support and resistance levels. Which, speaking of that, we had a very nice breakout this morning in crude oil to the upside, and then we had this nice short-term compression with breakout to the downside today. That's not the topic of today's video. I want to talk about Amazon because the same strategies that we use in equity or in futures can also be used in equities. And I tell people this all the time. Look, we create systems and strategies that work for everything, not just one way or the other. And price action can be read the same way across the board. Not to say that each market doesn't have its own personality, but you can apply the same concepts and logic to your trades, whether you're trading futures, forex, equities, options, doesn't matter. So with that being said, this is Amazon, and we have once more the power line indicator on here. And you can see it's calling out support and resistance just like we did yesterday. And you have a resistance break, well-defined resistance that's been tagged 3 times here. We break to the upside, pull back, retest, and then away you go. So you had that initial breakout to the upside there yesterday afternoon. And then today, you came in, you had a nice power line support level here for the break. And these are not small moves. You're talking from 1681 and a quarter. This dropped all the way down to 1668 or 1669, call it. So not a bad move at all. You're talking about 11 points or so. Then we continue to trend lower, lower highs, lower lows. And then we just had a compression breakout that's happening right now where we have well-defined support. You can see the power lines there, and it's breaking down and pushing lower here as well. So keep an eye out for this type of setup. It happens all the time. And again, what you're looking for is well-defined support or resistance that has been tagged more than one time. Now, if you want to learn how to trade Renko, we have the Renko workshop coming up at the end of the month. If you're not a member at Basecamp Trading, all you have to do to join is a $7 trial for an entire month. Just in the description below, there's a link. Come in, check it out. You can join us in the trading room and see for yourself how these setups work and how we trade them, because we're making money just about every day. So it's been killer, especially with this volatility. It's a great time to be trading. So that's it for today, though. Keep an eye out for significant support and resistance levels. Watch for them to break. You can also use Renko if you want to clarify the price action a little bit more. That workshop's coming up on December 27th, the Renko Trading Workshop. I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you're enjoying these videos. And until next time, everybody, happy trading.